How to activate TD Bank credit card online. Let's get started with the video. Start by moving into any of the web browser. Once you're in here, in the source bar, search for TD Bank debit card login. Tons of different sites will be visible to you. Simply move into this site. Once you're in this page, tap on Accept All. Now click on Login at the top right corner of the screen. And then click on Credit Cards. Once again, click on Login and then tap on Cards. Head over to Credit Card. It will land you on this page. Now first of all, you have to enter a login credential of your TD Bank. Once you have been logged in, head over to Cards and then move into Credit or Debit Card. You need to enter all the information of your card. Once you have entered, the next thing you want to do is tap on Apply and then you'll be good to go. That's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.